Hi everyone, I am here to discuss my dataset, which is the students' performances. I have only 6 datasets for students' performances, but I just use only 3. The first one is the scatter plot. The x-axis of the scatter plot is course ID, while the y-axis is grade. The data points is blue dots, and the regression line is the red line. The plot shows that while there is a slight positive correlation between course ID and grade, the relationship is weak. The grades are widely spread across different course IDs, indicating that other factors may also influence grade significantly. The second one is heat map. This heat map represents the correlation matrix for 4 variables: graduate high school type, attendance to classes, course ID, and grade. Each cell in the matrix shows the correlation coefficients between the variables intersecting at the cell. The color scale on the right side shows the mapping of correlation values to colors. Yellow is the 1, pink is the 0.0, magenta is 0.0. This heat map indicates that there are no strong correlation among the variables in the dataset. The relationship between variables are mostly weak, with both positive and negative correlations being relatively close to zero. This might suggest that these variables are relatively independent of each other, or that any relationships that do exist are not linear. The last one is the bar graph. The x-axis of this bar graph is the grade and the y-axis is attendance to classes. Each bar shows the average attendance to classes for the corresponding grade on the x-axis, and the height of the bar indicates the mean attendance value. The vertical lines on top of each bar represents error bars, which typically indicate the standard deviation of confidence interval of the mean attendance value. The variation in attendance is average attendance across different grades. Grade 4 and 5 have the highest average attendance, while the grade 3 and 6 have the lowest. The error bars indicate that there is variability within each grade, but grades 0, 1, 2, 4, and 5 have relatively similar average attendance to classes, generally around 1.2 to 1.4. Grades 3 and 6 shows noticeably lower average attendance compared to other grades.